With the MyBoard Buddy Cam, a student with a visual impairment can follow the content of a chalkboard, whiteboard, and educational materials on a monitor placed on their desk and manipulate it as needed. The device is very easy and intuitive to use, even for young children. Installing the MyBoard Buddy Cam does not require any technical knowledge. A set consists of the MyBoard Buddy Cam distance camera, a MyBoard Buddy receiver, and the controller. If you use the MyBoard Buddy Cam together with the MyBoard Buddy Air, the receiver is included in the MyBoard Buddy Air packaging. Make sure to provide a sufficiently large screen on the student's desk equipped with an HDMI connection. The setup of the MyBoard Buddy Cam distance camera begins by fastening the camera to the edge of a table. Ensure the table is sturdy enough so the mounting clamp can be attached securely. Plug the power adapter into a power outlet and connect the camera to a USB port of the MyBoard Buddy receiver. Connecting the MyBoard Buddy receiver is done in 4 steps. First, switch on the monitor. Then, connect the student's screen to the micro HDMI port of the MyBoard Buddy receiver. Next, connect the controller to one of the 2 USB ports of the receiver. Finally, connect the receiver's power adapter to the USB-C port and plug it into a power outlet. If everything is working correctly, you will see the Sensotech startup screen followed by the MyBoard Buddy logo screen. When an active MyBoard Buddy transmitter is nearby, the system will automatically connect to it. Using the MyBoard Buddy Cam is entirely focused on ease of use, allowing the user to quickly become familiar with the device and its controls. Once installation is complete, the user can zoom in on the image, adjust the colors, and rotate the distance camera by 350 degrees. On the controller, you will see a joystick on the left, similar to one on a game console, and 9 buttons. The yellow buttons allow you to zoom in and out. The joystick is used to move the camera. The white button activates color inversion. The red button toggles between grayscale and true colors. Press the joystick and the yellow buttons simultaneously to adjust the contrast in high contrast mode. This is useful in poor lighting or when the contrast is weak. The green button restores the image to full screen and fully resets the zoom. The 3 black buttons allow you to recall a favorite camera position. To save a preferred position, press the joystick and one of the 3 black buttons simultaneously. The blue button allows you to switch between the digital board and the camera, but only if the MyBoard Buddy transmitter is also installed. When you are connected to the digital board, you can use the following functions. If you have zoomed in, you can, by pressing the joystick and the green button simultaneously, toggle between full screen zoom and partial zoom with a virtual magnifier. Press the joystick and the white button simultaneously to freeze the image. You can adjust this frozen image as desired. Press the same combination again to return to live view. Press the joystick and the red button simultaneously for 4 seconds to reinitiate the connection with the transmitter and the camera. If you have questions about installing the MyBoard Buddy, please contact sales@sensotech.com.